Hello, welcome to India Munch Official. Today has been a really hot day outside, about 40 degrees. So I'm going to have some ice cream. Not any old ice cream, Baskin Robbins ice cream. This little beauty gets 6 flavours. Can't remember the flavours, but I've got them written down. So we've got a Lotus Biscoffi, fruit overload, Butterscotch, ribbon ice cream, can't remember what that is, Alphonso mango, and Mississippi mud. So let's waste no more time. Spoon. And get into this. Little card off them. Happy indulging and blah blah blah. This one, I think, maybe the Alphonso mango. Soon find out. Creamy. It's Alphonso mango, but it don't really taste a mango. Got little bits of mango in it, but it don't really taste a mango. Let's leave it open. This one looks like it could be the Lotus Biscoffi. Let's give it a go. It's Lotus Biscoffi. Nice. What could this one be then? This one could be Butterscotch. Can you see it? You want it? You want it? Butterscotch. This could be fruit overload. Got little bits of fruit overload or ribbon or something like that. It's got to be fruit overload. It's got raisin in it. Yeah, this fruit overload. Mississippi mud. That's a rich chocolate taste. Really nice. Tasty if you love chocolate. And this must be a ribbon. Strawberry and maybe banana, because it's yellow. Strong taste of strawberry coming through that. The yellow ice cream don't really taste nothing, just strawberry. But let's put these in a bit of an order. So that was your butterscotch. That's my favourite. Butterscotch. Second choice was Biscoffi. Gotta have the mud. Gotta have the mud. Mississippi mud. Then the strawberry ribbon. Mango would probably last. Then that was your mixed fruit. So first place you got your Butterscotch, Lotus Biscoffi, Mississippi Mud, Ribbon, Fruit Overload, then Mango. Overall, Baskin Robbins, nice. Really creamy. Bit on the expensive side for India. I mean, this was about 530 rupees, which equates to about $6, which is quite expensive for India. But yeah, nice little treat now and then. In the comments, tell me what your favourite ice cream is. I'll see if I can get it over here when I make a video. If you like my video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.